Are you looking for a new build in Gulf Breeze proper, Florida? That is a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, 5,003 square feet, 3 stories right on Pensacola Bay. Well, today we're going to tour a new build in Gulf Breeze, Florida. It's close to Pensacola and also Pensacola Beach. If this is something that you are interested in, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go check out this house. As we walk up to the front door of this new construction, it's built by JMJ General Contractors. It is a 2-car garage, but the 1 car does go all the way the length of the house. The front door is custom iron. And so as we come into the first level, this is porcelain tile. Off to the side is the laundry room. There is another laundry room upstairs. This is a quartzite countertops. You have the cabinets with the crown molding. There's also the crown molding on the ceiling. Recessed lighting. View of the front of the house, the front yard. We'll go out to the garage first. This door here takes you to a storage that is under the steps. Got a water heater. This house does have a couple of water heaters. It says over 5,000 square feet, so going to need more than 1 water heater. There's high ceilings in the closet as well with the wood shelving. We'll take a walk out to the garage. The garage does have the epoxy flooring. So you have the 2-car garage here, but the second stall does go all the way back to the back of the house. Well, there's another water heater. And we're going to take a walk outside. To have the tile on the patio. Got a covered patio with the recessed lighting and fans. So this is the Pensacola Bay. There's a walkway that goes through this whole community right along the bay. This community is the Baybridge. So you have the 3-mile bridge that takes you over to Pensacola. And this community does have a dock with separate boat slips, and this property does have a boat slip. We got the National Seashore, and here's the path that takes you along the Pensacola Bay. Here's a view of the back of the house. Do have the 3 levels. Some cabinets for storage. And there's more storage over here. Got the double doors and the wood shelving. Also have the light in the closet. This home does come with an elevator. It's the elevator, and there's the stairs with the wood steps. And this area here would be your first kitchen area. The main kitchen is on the second floor, and this does have the quartzite countertops. And this is a Bosch fridge, stainless steel, and also the Bosch range and dishwasher, and then the microwave, and the custom cabinets. They all have the soft close, and the whole house does have the crown molding. Here's a view of the Pensacola Bay from the kitchen area. There's the living room, and there's one bedroom on the first floor. So here is the bedrooms, and it does have its own doors to go sit out on the covered patio. And every bedroom does have its own full bath. Here's the shower. It is a tile shower to the ceiling and has the single vanity, and then a organizer in the closet, the wood shelving, high ceilings. These are 10-foot ceilings through the whole house. We get to the third floor. The third floor does have vaulted ceilings. There's another view of the iron doors. That's the front door. So we'll go upstairs to the second level. The staircase does have the lighting in the stairway, help you to see at night, as well as the recessed lighting. So when you come up to the second floor, you come right into the main kitchen. Each floor has a mini kitchen, and then the second floor has the main kitchen with the views of the Pensacola Bay. And there's also a Pelican sitting out on the dock right now. You can see you got views of the wildlife out here as well. The National Seashore off in the distance. Recessed lighting and fans out here with the tile on the decking. So we'll take a walk into the main bedroom. This flooring is engineered hardwood, and the main bedroom does have its own sliding doors to take you to the covered balcony with the crown molding. And these double doors here are pocket doors, which are going to take you into the main bathroom. There is the tile on the floor. You have the double vanity, and there's also a his and hers water closet. His and her water closets. And they got the huge shower. This is a tiled shower. The tile does go to the ceiling. And you've got the rain head, multiple uses of the shower heads, and you also have a soaking tub, separate soaking tub. And then these double doors take you into the main closet. It is already has the organizers already built in. This is all wood organizers. Some drawers and more shelving and hanging options on this end. So there's another view of the main bathroom. As we come out of the main bedroom, we'll go back out to the kitchen living room. The main kitchen living room is on the second floor. This is again the engineered hardwood, and this is an electric fireplace. All of the appliances in the main kitchen are Thermador. You got the fridge and the oven. Got a huge island with the quartzite countertop. The cabinets above do have the lighting in them with the glass in the front for decorative. Put some decorative dishes in there. There's also the lighting under the cabinet. The quartzite does go up for the backsplash. And then you have the pot filler and the microwave, the dishwasher, and the ice maker. And there's the elevator. So the kitchen faces the east, and you can enjoy the sunrises in the morning in the kitchen. And also the main bedroom also is has views of the east. More cabinet space. Here's the half bath. The half bath has the single vanity, and it is on the second floor. Here is a dry bar with the Thermador fridge, wine fridge. And this room can be used as a theater room or a bedroom. This room would be in the front of the house, which would be on the west views. You do have Lillo's Tuscan Grill across the street, and also views of Pensacola Bay. We'll go outside up on the balcony upstairs so you get better views. Here is the closet with the built-in wood shelving. And this bedroom also has its own bathroom with the single vanity, quartzite countertops, and the tile that goes to the ceiling. Here's some views out the window that got views of the Pensacola Bay. So that is the second floor. Now we're going to go up to the third floor. There are 2 more bedrooms on the third floor. As we go up, there's also the lighting in the stairway at the wood stair steps. So we come up to the top of the third floor, And there is a laundry closet with the stackable washer and dryer. And there's another room that has the mini kitchen with the quartzite countertops and a walk-in closet with the built-in shelving. Now, it does have its separate balcony out the front of the house, which would be on the west side. It has the recessed lighting, the fan. This part of it is covered, and then part of it also is open to get some sun. There are the views of the Pensacola Bay and Lilo's Tuscan Grill. There's a gate for the gated community. There is the metal roofing. We go back to, on the third level, there is a full bathroom. So here is another water heater. This is the third water heater for this house. This is the bathroom for the third floor. It does have the tile shower. The tile goes all the way to the ceiling. It has the single vanity. The great views of Pensacola Bay. So bedroom 4 and 5 would share the bathroom, and more closet space. And there is another living space. You could use this for theater room or exercise room. It has the recessed lighting and fans. This does have the cathedral ceiling on the third floor, and the mini kitchen with the quartzite countertops. And I'll take a walk out to the covered patio. Get more views of the Pensacola Bay and the 3 Mile Bridge. It takes you over to Pensacola. Views of the dock and the boat slips. There's the walking path. It walks over to the neighboring gated community. The National Seashore. So when we go into bedroom 5 upstairs, does have its own access to the covered balcony, and it has its own bathroom. The single vanity with the tile shower. That tile does go to the ceiling and has the glass doors, and then the walk-in closet with the built-in shelving. So upstairs you do have 2 full bathrooms, and there are 2 bedrooms, and you could call it a theater room. You could use it as a bedroom, and This room does have the access to the open balcony that has the west views, so you would have beautiful views of the sunsets.